In light of what Ranrock now knows, you must agree that our interests are aligned.
Our interests will never be aligned.
You would let goblins take what is rightfully ours? The final repository belongs to wizard kind. We would be fools not to work together. What's that you've got there? Might this sudden visit to the Wand Maker have something to do with our mutual pursuit?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
That repository is my birthright!
Charles Rookwood wouldn't have wanted you near it.
The arrogance. Should have known better than to try and reason with a child. I've always said, children should be seen and not heard. Nobody will miss.
A lamb to the slaughter.
Incendio! Rookwoods don't go down in.
Oh, try not to make this
Crusade.
You've made my
Wanna look up?
You're going to regret that. Had enough? How delightful.
Confringo! Incendio! Levioso! Bombarda! Protego!
Come on. You should have joined me.